Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show how to add effect on Reels. How to add Instagram how to add effect on Instagram Reels. For these settings, you have to open your Instagram app. After opening your Instagram app, you have to click the plus icon here. Then you have to select a
Hello, friend.
photo or video. Then you have to select reel option, then select a photo or video. Then you can see here this option. Click to this option. Then you have to select an filter or effect. Then see guys, the effect has been added. Friends, that was the video. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then take care. Bye bye my dear friends.